Hey Grant, this is Ethan with Web Rank Management. As promised, here's that quick little video of some tips and tricks on how to improve your company's online presence and hopefully generate some more income via the internet. Without further ado, let's get into it. I've got three good tips for you today. So the three tips are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. What do I mean by content? First things first. Content is everything that you see on your website here. Everything from your logo up top, your different pages throughout the website, even this image and everything else down here is all considered content. By the way, I just want to do a quick little point out and say you actually have quite a nice looking website. You'd be surprised. Most of the carpet cleaners in and around your area are not nearly as set up for this. So you're on a really, really good start. But Google likes to see around 1,500 words. That's kind of their sweet spot per page of each website. That just kind of lets them know that you are an expert in whatever field it is that you claim to be. Next up, we have citations. So whenever you go to Google and you type in anything, like for example, I typed in carpet cleaning Modesto, California, you're going to see some different things. First things first, you're going to have your sponsored content. So these are Google ads. These are companies paying to put their website up at the very, very top. Although a lot of people tend to skip right over this section because they either won't click on ads, they have an ad blocker, or some other reason they just decide they don't really want to deal with this. However, we do offer ad revenue management or ad management as part of our package if you're interested in that. But that's more to generate short-term revenue while your website is ranking organically through SEO or search engine optimization. That's ultimately what we want to do. Directly below the sponsored content, you find this thing right here. This is the Google Map Pack, also known as Google My Business, also known as Google Pro or Business Profile. They keep changing it up on me, so I'm not really sure exactly which one to call it these days. But these, anytime you search anything like a business and you put a city or near me, for example, you're going to find all the businesses that have multiple citations. Now, a citation is just another website or directory that has your business's name, address, and phone number correctly listed exactly the way that it is on your website. When Google sees that enough places, like for example, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, all have the exact same information, they categorize your business as valid and put it up here in this map pack, making it really, really easy for people in your local area to find you. Now, if you're not in the top three spaces right here, you're missing out on a lot of revenue. This is absolutely crucial to get up here. And actually, no, I'm not going to say easy, but it's not horribly difficult to actually get your website ranked up here pretty quickly. And when I say quickly, I mean a couple months. Let's set the standard properly. Then directly below that, we have your organic section. Now, this is ideally where we want to put your website over the course of the time that you're working with me, if you decide to do so. Sorry. And a quick little statistic, about 30% of people that Google anything will click on the very first organic result. As 68% of people click on the top three results, and the top six results are share about 98% of the clicks. Everything below the top six, only 2% of people will click on them, all the way from result number 7 to 270,000. They all share 2% of the clicks. So it's a pretty big deal to put your website up here. So the way we kind of figure out how to get your website up here is by taking your competition and using them as a roadmap. So I went ahead and took this guy, this carpetcleanersmodesto.com. As you can see, right off the bat, they have a lot of content, a lot more rich content on their page. Although, for being completely honest, I like the look of your website much, much better. So that should be really pretty easy once we get the right keywords ranked for you on your website. Again, not even close to that 1,500 word sweet spot. So this should be very easy to actually take and implement and make your website outrank theirs pretty quickly. But I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs or Arefs or Arefs or whatever you want to call it. It basically buys data from Google once every couple days, maybe once a week or so, and it basically categorizes each of those searches. So it says when someone types in, for example, carpet cleaning Modesto, CA, where are they clicking based on these based on this search result, and it ranks websites based on what you find there. So your biggest competitor, carpetcleanersmodesto.com, they have in their organic section 171 people clicking on their website every month. That's awesome. If only 30% of people that click on this website end up being turned into leads, that is, I think, 50, 51, if I'm doing my math right. Um, New customers, new clients every single month. That's two more cleanings that you can do every day just from being in that top spot in Google. Um, and the last way that we get you there, you remember I said content citations. Very last thing is this section right here. These are backlinks. So the way you get a backlink is from a referencing domain. And that's basically just another website that lists your website on theirs. It basically says, it gives them a seal of approval, a thumbs up saying, I recommend these guys. They're good at what they do. Not all backlinks are created equal. So as you can see, 14 referencing domains giving you 52. So they've got a decent amount of, decent backlinks. By the way, this is a very small amount. I've seen companies that have like over 1,000 referencing domains, giving them over 10,000 backlinks. So this is very, very manageable. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say a backlink from Stanley Steamer would be a lot more useful than, say, Pizza Hut. Google likes to see a lot of niche and location relevant backlinks to your business just to put them up and say, yes, based on what they searched, this is more relevant to what they have. For fun, I went ahead and clicked on their keywords to see what exactly it is that they have in their website that, lands them so many clicks. Right off the bat, you'll see carpet cleaning Modesto. That gets searched roughly 350 times every month, and they're getting about 52 of those clicks. And you can see that's a very buyer intent keyword because they say what it is that they're wanting and where exactly they want it. So you can imagine that a lot of those clicks are actually turning into clients and customers. So carpet cleaning Modesto 350-52, carpet cleaners Modesto California 200 searches every month, they get 25 of them. Carpet cleaning Modesto California 200 searches, they get 16. So the list goes on and on. They have a lot of keywords that they're ranking for based on their Google or based on their website. Now I went ahead and used the same website and pulled up your website, and you'll see that even though you have more, or I think it was more, right? You have just about as many referencing domains. They're not quite as rich, so we could definitely be getting you some better ones. We would definitely be taking all of your competition, putting your own website in there. So we're giving you those exact same referencing domains, giving you roughly the same amount of backlinks. And then we're going to either double or triple the amount. So that way, not only are you beating your competition, but you're far surpassing them, making it much harder for them to catch up, so to speak. So even though you've already got some good backlinks from your referencing domains, which is awesome, that's one of the hardest parts of actually getting SEO to work properly, it seems like you're not actually ranking for any organic traffic. So whether you're not mentioning certain keywords enough, maybe you have some improper spelling, maybe they're just not listed on your website themselves, because you can see over the last 6 months, you've had no traffic from your website. It's like it's just sitting on dead air. So we definitely want to help you out with that. And let's see, content citations, backlinks. Yeah, that's everything I have to show you here. So if you like this video, if you thought the information was useful, simply reply to this email. Just let me know, and we'll set up a time where we can chat, seeing exactly what it is you're wanting out of your business, and if I can even be of help to you of that. If not, if you don't really care for it, I would really, really appreciate just a little bit of feedback. If you can just respond to the email, just telling me, in a couple sentences what you didn't really like about it or what you think I should change. That way I can go on, perfecting this craft and help out some other small local businesses. With that, I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great rest of your day, bud.